Will you take me with you?
Yes. I always try to take someone young.
Every woman here will appreciate this gift. My sister and her husband had somebody come and clean my house. We got a treat.
Yes, that is a treat.
Wonderful.
Dave Skinner.
You just had to sit back and relax.
Well, actually, she was at work.
I was at work, and Ray was there to open the door and say, never mind this file, and you might come by.
We try to integrate.
Bill used to play banjo in our choir.
Oh yeah.
Banjo player. Greetings, Wes and Ray, on both of your birthdays. Thanks for the invitation to your party in the park. Received via Maureen's phone message, which awaited me on my return Thursday from Oregon. Tony and I will surely try to make it. Here's wishing you both many more. With fondest regards, Bill. Bring such happiness to others each day with the many nice things that you do. It's a pleasure to wish you two a wonderful day and a year that is wonderful. Happy birthdays. And Bill. And my mind is still sharp as a shack. They say the first sign of senility is when you screw up the simplest things. Personally, I think it's none of the bunch sense. Happy birthday. The hair is very and melon. She brought me this beautiful balloon for the 50 saying, ha!
I guess
Now you can stay nice and warm. Oh, perfect. Perfect.
just taking over her classes, whatever they were doing.
Great.
That was wonderful.
Great.
Oh, I say the dead of winter.
I know it. Dead of summer. Dead of summer. In July, I still don't want to take my clothes off and my socks on.
Be an ISIL.
That's the way I feel. I said I miss the weight of the
Come up
cover.
lucky
You
this
know? Still remember the touchdown.
Now.
Yeah, no particular reason. No, but it kind of disoriented. Yeah. Okay. Don't think of it as being 50. Think of it as being half of an antique. A prize collectible. A really great bottle of vintage wine, cheese, exquisitely aged cheese, incredibly old socks. Well, you get the picture. Happy birthday. With all of our love and prayers for many, many more lovely birthdays. Dan, Genevieve, Krista, Misha, and Snowball. Snowball, little handful, little white
A lot of problems
kneecap.
with that.
Working in?
That,
All of those cats are just...
anyway, basically,
mixed.
they were
Yeah.
on staff.
You never know what you're going to get. Who needs volleyball when you have silly
He comes around at But,
Woo! A rice cooker in the microwave.
Last
That's
time I came
great.
over, we had accidentally burnt everything.
That's when you get learn, probably. That's right. Because I leave it out on this, like, you know, this is what I do. I burn it.
Hey.
Yeah, well,
The other part of it is
yeah.
we're teaching this to so the new control light, but now it doesn't work to really have...
Hey, Tim,
Okay.
why are you spanking him?
It's a brother. He's a brother. We need another explanation.
they have to coordinate the time. Sometimes she has to bring extra. Sometimes she's hanging all
I don't think he was taking it kind of arguing over the silly string that was just in the little blue ball and then
That's just a lot of work around. She's got there's wood on her blades on.
oh neat! A bun pan with a cookbook on different ways to use it. Oh, look at that. A nice carrier card.
And who gave that to you?
Your mom.
It's like a jello thing. Or is it a cake pan or jello?
There's a little booklet to tell all different ways. Glazes, sauces, quick breads, cakes, desserts, salads, cakes from mixes, cakes from scratch. Oh, neat.